The use of pesticides to control the desert locust invasion in Marsabit County is threatening to wipe out hundreds of bird species as many die as a result of the spraying. This is despite the fact that the government has repeatedly said that the pesticides in use are not harmful to the environment.
The battle against the fresh swarms of desert locust that have infested parts of Laisamis and North Horr has claimed unintended casualties. Tens of birds that have been feeding on the dying pests have too been falling to the ground. Experts say it is due to the use of highly poisonous pesticide. These chemicals now threaten to wipe out entire species of an important member of the food chain. In Laisamis, we witnessed birds struggling to fly after feeding on dead locusts that had been sprayed by the National Youth Servicemen under the stewardship of the Marsabit County government. Experts say the birds died after consuming the locusts that had been sprayed with excessive amounts of the chemical Marshall 250 EC.
For these birds, what you are saying, maybe we'll find out. Probably overdosage, I don't know. We will be able to find out from the ministry concerned.
Marshall contains carbasalvan as an active ingredient that acts by contact and poisons the stomach. The pesticide, which is used to control nematodes and other soil-borne pests, is toxic to bees, fish and wildlife. This now raises concerns about whether those in the front line in the battle against the pest were adequately trained by the Food and Agriculture Organization. The government has been mum on the components of the chemical used amid concerns about their effects, since they are also being used in the farms.
But as far as the national government, Department of Agriculture is concerned, they assured the nation that the chemical they were spraying is safe for both livestock and human beings. If there is anything to suspect, like what you are insinuating, then we'll be able to take up with the relevant authorities so that they'll be able to establish really what is the cause. But I can assure you, our government has done everything it takes so that it is not endangering the lives of its citizens.
Mamo Ali, NTV, Marsabit.